Baby Yoda. The print failed. Day 2. Forgot I almost didn't document this. So here's what we got. We tried to do a Baby Yoda. That was the first attempt. It failed. I think you guys saw that. Next one overnight, it got a little bit farther, but then it failed, kind of the same way. And I noticed that, these aren't looking good on the bases, and it's not really level, and I was like, oh, I could put a brim around it or something. I just knew that my printer's off, so I started doing stress tests. This is the stress test that we're doing. It's this tower. You get it on Thingiverse. And the idea is if your printer can do all this, you're in good shape. But if it can't, something's wrong. And he couldn't. It terribly messed up on my first attempt. And this, yet again, this base looks like awful. So I learned that my bed leveling is probably absolutely crap because I don't know how to do that. I'll make a follow-up video because there's no version 2 videos of this creality printer that are done well how to do this. And I found one for the first version that was very similar, and I got the concept, and I had not done any of those steps. And as you see, this one has a brim that it's printing. It's doing that tower again, and it's looking much better. It's not warping at all. It seems to be like really stuck on there, and it just seems like everything's more level. So I think it was a leveling issue that I had. Yeah, there you go. I thought, how in the world is it going to be such smooth sailing? So plenty of problems encountered, but day 2, we'll see if I figure out this tower. It's about a 2-hour print. We'll try Baby Yoda for a third time, and hopefully that one will work. That's a more complicated kind of a print to do. Oh, I'm so excited. This print is looking good. It's actually successful. I don't want to jinx it. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th print. But hey, 1 successful one and 3 failures. Progress. My bed leveling was off atrociously. It has done all the magic that we needed. And this thing is, I can't wait to see this. I really didn't care at first for a tower. But, I don't know, just something you made, it's super cool looking. So we'll see. Hopefully I didn't jinx it and it still works. All right. This is a success. At 99%, it looks very nice. Now, clearly, the top can use some work. Something's going off with the stringing. But I fixed the bed leveling, and look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Yeah, that top completely got fricked, but hey, everything else is near perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. You're probably looking at this like, what? Dude, you got Spider-Man flying over here with a zip line looking thing. You totally messed up. Nah, look, this, from here on, it looks perfect. Very proud of this. 5th print, 2nd successful creation. Now we can start our Baby Yoda again and be advancing our career or profession of 3D printing, I guess. Hey, I'm about to cry. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of this creation, guys. Here it is, all cleaned up. I mean, minor stringing, minor blemishes. He's basically perfect. Such a cute little Baby Yoda. The detail on this and everything just worked out. And look, that base plate has to be absolutely perfect for the rest of your thing to work. So it only took me about 5 minutes to clean up this time. So hopefully no more realignments and making sure the base plate is flat. And it took me maybe 5 minutes tops to clean them up, which that's good. Looks like my use of custom supports isn't bad. I'll show you guys what I mean by that later. Some people have done some videos on it, but I don't know. I'll try to make it clear for newbies. There's the only places that I can see some improvement that I could do is I think the hands could have been slightly better over here. They look good in the details, but I had supports kind of put around there a little wacky. The other part is you can't even tell, but right under here it's not as smooth as I'd like it to be. Everything out, I mean, the ears were absolutely perfect and they sting out the most. The arm was pretty much perfect up over here. I didn't have struggles taking it off. I had struggles right here, so I almost broke that finger. The stringing needs to be better. I don't know if I can change that or not. And then it kind of got lazy on the top of the head. I'm not sure what happened here, but maybe this is just the way it looks, but I feel like I could have done better and it was a little bit too fast or something. Or there wasn't correct heating. It's not as smooth as I'd prefer it to be, but overall, 10 out of 10. Can't say that, but I would say 9, 9.5. I'd probably giving it more than I should because I'm so happy as my, what is it, it's third successful print. But now to clear it up and maybe I'll even paint it.